And by using steric hindrance and plus I effects also, we can conclude the same thing. So let's take one more example. Let's compare two other things. Comparison between aniline and ammonia. So let's see which one is more basic, either aniline or ammonia. What is aniline structure? Benzene ring. If we replace one hydrogen with NH2 group, then that is aniline. Nitrogen with lone pair of electrons, and this is simple ammonia. By looking at the structure only, we can simply say ammonia is more basic than aniline. Why? Basic nature is nothing but electron donating capacity. Here, electron donating capacity is more easy when compared to this compound, because here no alkyl groups are there, no restriction is there, no steric hindrance is there. So electron donating capacity of this nitrogen is more, so it is more basic. Or else we can say by using some theory also, that is resonance. By looking at the structure only we can say, but the real reason is resonance. So what's going to happen here? Resonating structures will form. So this lone pair will come here, this lone pair, this bond will go here, forming a resonating structure. NH2 plus and here minus. This goes here and same thing happens here. To satisfy the positive charge on nitrogen, this continuously it goes on moving, forming resonating structures. So like this, it's going to so basically what's happening here? Here, lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is very busy. They keep on rotating to satisfy the positive charge of nitrogen. The lone pair is very busy and it is undergoing resonance. But in this case, that is not happening. So here, lone pair of electrons are very free. So they can easily, nitrogen easily can donate the lone pair of electrons to some other species. So basing on this resonance structure also, we can say that one aromatic amines are less basic when compared to ammonia. So so by all these things, what we understood, which one is having least basic nature? Obviously aromatic one, C6H5 and H2. Then next one is ammonia. This is somewhat basic than this aromatic amines. So next one is okay, R NH2. Then R2NH, R3. So basing on these things, aromatic amines are weak bases when compared to ammonia. So this is the introduction of amines, nomenclature, and basic strengths of amines.